Once you've set the goals for your campaign, the next step in building your social media strategy is defining your target audience. You have learned that your target audience is a group of people most likely to purchase your company's products. In this video, we're going to discuss how to define your social media target audience, the specific group of people you want your company to reach on social media platforms. Your target audience is the people who are most likely to be interested in the content, products, and services you're creating. They are people whose problems you want to solve. Understanding exactly who your target audience is will guide your marketing and help you decide what, where, and when you are going to share content. Targeting a specific audience also helps you determine where your money and time will be best spent. Now let's discuss how to go about identifying your target audience. Your target audience likely shares some common characteristics such as age and location. To determine who your social media target audience is, start by compiling information about your current customers and followers. You may be able to gather some of this information from others in your organization, such as your research department, analysts, or even other marketers. Consider demographic information about your current customers, such as their age. Which decade of life, generation, or stage of life are they in? Are they teens, young adults, parents, or retirees? Location. Where do most of your customers live? This helps you understand which geographical area to target and when you should schedule your social media posts and ads to ensure the best visibility. Language. What languages should you use to communicate with your target audience? Some people might not speak your language or might speak a different language at home than their dominant language in their geographic region. Interests. What do they like to do? What excites them? What do they care about? Needs. What problems are your customers struggling with? What issues do they have that your product or service could help solve? Once you've learned these characteristics about your current customers, assess how people engage with your brand on social media. Think about questions such as, what are people saying about your brand, products, and services? What do they like and dislike about them? Why is your audience following you? What else are they talking about online? Understanding the kind of information people are searching for will help you understand your target audience, identify their needs, and determine how to engage with them on social media. You can use social listening tools to help you find these conversations about your brand on social media. As I mentioned previously, social listening refers to tracking your social media platforms for mentions and conversations about your brand. In the next course, we'll discuss more about how to use social listening to learn about your target audience. Now that you have a sense of who your target audience is and how they're talking about your brand on social media, research what social media platforms they use. To make the greatest impact, you should aim to reach your target audience where they're most active on social media. It wouldn't make sense to post regularly on Pinterest, for example, if your target audience is spending most of its time on LinkedIn. Finally, you can learn a lot about your target audience by observing what the competition is doing. Your target audience likely has some similarities to theirs, so you can benefit from observing their tactics. Consider questions such as, who are your competitors targeting? How are they reaching out to their target audience? What are they doing well and not so well? How often are they posting? Which content formats are they using? When you market to a highly specific target audience, you can develop content that speaks to them. This can help you earn their loyalty. We'll continue exploring how to reach your target audience throughout this course.